Welcome to Trash Out TV. We already trashed this house out, but the leaves have not been done in a number of years. So the Trash Out TV crew are getting the leaves done. They're not going to be able to hear me, so I have a little sound horn. Whoop, there's Pants. What's he doing? Peter, what's going on? You working today? That's Peter Pants. Okay. You're not going to hear me, so I have this horn, which I happen to find in a trash out.
Yikes!
How you like that?
What's that?
I found it in a trash out. I've been wanting to use it.
Time?
What?
Is it break time?
Break time for sure. You guys,
Okay.
All right.
Thank goodness.
Peter.
Can't wait.
Peter, how come you're not taking a nap?
We're keeping on him.
Why are you
on the
not
way.
jumping in this pile of leaves?
I would love to.
He's waiting for break time. Then it's
Yeah.
nap time.
Break
It
time's
is
here.
Break
All
time,
right.
nap time.
Hi, welcome to Trash Out TV. We're taking advantage of this beautiful weather to get some leaves done. The boss just came and said we could have a break. So, here we
And
go.
I see AC from JC here. Did you guys find anything good?
Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Trash Out TV. I'm AC from JC coming at you. I found a ladder, Tim.
A ladder.
Yeah.
Find all sorts of junk.
Oh, man, forget it. A great ladder. And I found a fishing pole. I'm going to go fishing.
Fishing? Where's?
Why not?
What'd you find?
A fishing pole.
What's on that fishing pole?
Oh my goodness.
It's a Budweiser can.
No way.
Yeah.
Bait.
So
Bait.
I'm going to go fishing and see if I can catch me some leaf fish.
Let me see that thing. What kind of fishing pole is that? It's a beer can?
It's
It
a
actually-
Budweiser can.
But it's actually got a
The king of
reel on
beers.
it. King of beers.
Wow, maybe
right.
we can pick up the advertisement for Budweiser. Anheuser-Busch.
Yes, Anheuser-Busch. If you're watching, please sponsor Trash Out TV. We want to get on TV for real.
Thank you for watching.
We love you, Trash Out TV. Bye.
Bye.
Later.
We love you, Trash Out TV.